Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how we can leverage Castle to encourage diabetic patients like John who have not performed a mandatory lab test to return to the app and schedule an appointment for the test. Let's begin by creating a workflow. We'll call it Diabetic Test Engage and I'll click on Next. Now, first step in our strategy is segmentation. We'll call these users diabetic users. Now, after this, I'll create a segment of all the users who have performed medicines order in the last 6 months, and then I'll add a property filter. Product category equals diabetic. Now after this, I'll add another condition that put all the users who did not perform mandatory lab test in the last 3 months. And then I'll add a property filter. Name equals, we'll add the mandatory lab test name and we'll preview the query. So we'll wait for a bit for the result, and once it comes, we'll move on to the next step. Now here I'll proceed without goals. So the first step I wanted to define in a workflow is a WhatsApp step for those users who did not perform the mandatory lab test. So I'll give this step a name and I'll add the template which I have pre-built for this particular campaign. We have option of personalizing these messages. I'll select first name for now and I'll save the step. Now after sending the WhatsApp message, I wanted to set a time delay for a day. Now we'll explore a branching condition based on whether the users have seen these WhatsApp messages or not. So we'll select the branch and give it a name, WhatsApp read, and the default branch to WhatsApp not read. Now, as you can see, we have two branching conditions. We'll select the next course of action based on these. So I'll send in-app messages to all the users who have seen the WhatsApp messages, and I'll give it a name. Select the target platform to Android, triggered criteria to app opened. I'll select a message type and a template, and I'll simply copy all the messages from the Sublime text which I've created beforehand. Now we also have option to engage users even further by personalizing these messages. So let's select personalization type to users and personalization attribute to first name. In case the first name is not available, we can write hi there. We also have option to upload the images based on the campaign that you are running. And on your right side, you have option to preview the message. If you are happy with the content that you have created, you can move on to the next step. Now, for those users who have not seen my WhatsApp messages yet, I'll send a push notification message. So we'll give this step a name, push notifs. I'll select the target platform to Android and I'll copy all the messages from the Sublime text. Now you also have option to personalize these messages as well. So we'll select first name for now. And we'll scroll down and save the step. So suppose if you wanted to send the same in-app notification message after sending the push notification, you have option to copy this and you can simply paste it here. That's it. You can publish the workflow now. Thank you.